Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing how to make this delicious and tasty chicken stir fry with vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I made it, keep watching. So guys, for the complete recipe, make sure you check at the description. Okay, so you're going to be needing some chicken breast, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. You can add green one as well. You're going to be needing about olive, capri, parsley, black pepper and salt, also extra virgin of olive oil, clove of garlic and a pinch of wine, which is optional, the wine. So the first thing I'm going to do, after I already sliced the vegetable, I'm going to slice this chicken just in a straight way. You can cube them if you want the cube type. Okay, just go ahead and slice the chicken breast to your desire choice. Okay, so after doing that, on a pan over the heat, I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin of olive oil. I'm going to allow the oil to heat up a little bit. So the oil is hot now. I'm going to add in the olive, garlic and the capri. I'm going to saute them for about 3 minutes or until they are well cooked, which 3 to 4 minutes is enough to cook them. Okay, so this is the capri. This is how they call it in Italian. It comes in big bottle or in a smaller bottle, depends the one you can find. So here is after 4 minutes, I'm adding the chicken into the oil mixture. Then I'm going to go ahead to stir them. Continue to stir them, don't allow them to stay on a heat, and make sure you're using a medium low heat, not high heat for this. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper into it. The reason of not adding salt right now is because the capri and olive has salt on it. So after then, I'm going to add the chopped parsley, fresh parsley. You can use dry one if you don't have fresh one. Go ahead and stir them while adding the ingredients into the chicken. Okay, now I'm going to add just a drop of dry white wine, which is optional. If you don't like white wine, you can skip this step, which the chicken is going to come out very delicious as well. So I'm just going to stir them until the wine evaporates. So here is about 2 minutes later. I'm just making sure that they are cooking very well. So just give them a quick stir like that. Then I'm adding salt now because I tested the salt and the salt was not enough, so I added a little bit of salt. Then now I'm adding the sliced vegetable. You can even add more vegetable into this if you want to add more. Okay, so I'm going to give them a very good stir, like mix them very well, make sure that they are well mixed. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and mix them for just for a minute. Here I'm testing again the salt, if the salt is enough. If it's not enough, I'm going to be adding another one. So I just throw in some few more olive into it, which olive is also optional. If you don't want to use olive, you can skip it. Or if you don't want to use capri as well, you can also skip capri and use only oil and parsley to do this. So now this is after 2 minutes. As you can see, I don't want the pepper to be overcooked, so I'm cooking them for maximum 4 minutes, like 4 minutes guys. Then I will take them off the heat. Total cooking of this food is about 15 minutes if it's not less. So you only need to cook down the pepper a little bit, then it's time to serve them. So I'm adding them into my plate right now. You can have this with rice, or you can have it just like this as a second. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel, try it and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.